All right, so trail sled specific on this 858 Catalyst Turbo. We're going to kind of talk boost levels here. We have three options. Two of them are available to you right now. The third one is in the works, coming soon. But the first one is our 3 psi spring, and that's just a straight 91 octane setup. Designed to run and compete. And if anything, I would say it's a little bit better than the yellow and the red options out there, stock versus stock. Then we have our 4 psi setup, which is our green spring. That you are going to have to put 1 or 2 gallons of race gas in. You're just right on the edge, and that 110 leaded race fuel, it just adds, it's cheap insurance. Way less problems, quiets all the knockdown. Don't have to worry about intake temps as much. Just things are a lot happier. And then what hasn't been released yet, it's still in development. We've ran it, we run it, we love it. It's working great. We just need more time on it before we release it to the public, is our 5 psi setup. But that's going to require more like 3 or 4 gallons of 110 leaded race fuel per tank of fuel. And we know you guys are going to be asking for more and more, just like all the other boost stuff we have. It's coming. We're working on it. We just don't have all the answers there yet. And then with that 3 psi, 4 psi, we're running them 83 to 8450. 84 is pretty much kind of the sweet spot, but that's the RPM you're shooting for. 3 psi is our plain spring on 91. That's pretty much the exact same target boost and boost level that Ski-Doo and Polaris are running on their over-the-counter setups. So it gives you an idea where you're at on the playing field and whatnot, and gives you a really good idea where that thing's going to perform. It was late in the season when we got this package done. There'll be videos and stuff coming in the fall and the winter once we get more time, but you guys are going to like it. It runs very well. Ron doesn't come in excited all that often when things are fast, but this is one of those projects where he came in and when he tells me it runs good, it runs good.